And I just wasn't getting anywhere. And I was like, oh, I don't know what I'm doing. I suck. Like, this sucks. I don't know how to get out of this. So what I did was, it's fun to stay at the YMCA. It's fun to stay at the YMCA. Oh, hello there. I wasn't trying out for YMCA or anything. Yo, it's Thomas Anthony from Fancy Fox Music. Fancy Fox Music is a music collective where we help you become the artist that you are meant to be so that you can share your story with the world and make an impact with your message. And today, what I want to talk to you about is just some really needed advice that I think producers should hear, and some stuff that I've been going through just this past week that I've been pondering with, going through in my head and trying to make myself a better producer. And I think these tips will be really helpful for you. Let's get cracking into it. I just want to start off by explaining that over the last little bit, as I've been saying in my last previous videos, I've been really working hard on music, getting back in the grind of things, and producing just tons and tons of new music, which has been super fun and really awesome. But if any of you guys are putting some solid time into being a music producer, you know that being a music producer has so many ups and so many downs. One day you're like, I'm amazing. The next day you're like, I'm fucking shit. The next day you're like, I'm so confused. I don't know what I'm doing with my life. The next day you're like, is this good? I don't know if this is good. I think this is good. The next day you're like, yeah, that was good. I was ridiculous yesterday. This is really good. And it's such an emotional roller coaster. So many ups and downs. And a skill that you need to develop as a music producer, A, is a thick skin, and B, is the ability to be able to finish music, and to finish music quickly, eventually quickly, but to be able to just finish music. And this is something I talk about with my students that I mentor and other music producers and even people just in forums and stuff like that. It's so easy to just make a loop and to make like a small watered down version of a drop without any effects in it, with just kind of like the bass line. You got a cool rhythm going, maybe you put some drums in there and maybe a build up, maybe a vocal chop, even a vocal chop. It's super duper easy to do that. Takes no time at all. And I'm like, yes, this is awesome. And then I just get trapped in this like a never ending like loop of me listening to it, trying to refine different parts to it, and really getting stuck in that and ultimately wasting time. And I know lots of other people get stuck in this riff. I wanted to share some strategies with you how to get out of that. Now, the first thing that I like to do when I'm stuck in that is bring in a reference track. So I'll load a reference track into my DAW. I'll chop it into the different parts. I'll chop it into breakdown, build up, drops, usually 2 to 3 sections of the drops, however many phrases there are, another breakdown, build up, and so forth. In each of those sections, I'll loop just the 16-bar loop in each of those sections, and I'll make a list and I'll write down exactly what is going on in those sections. So what kind of effects are they brought in? What kind of vocal chops are they using? What kind of rhythm are they using? Are they switching up the rhythm between different sections of the drop? What other creative elements are they bringing in? Are they bringing in pads? Maybe they're bringing in a different sound for the bass line. I'm going to write all those things down. Maybe in the build-up, like, are they switching the octave of the vocal to make it lower or higher, or what are they doing? Just writing down ideas so that I can use those ideas in my track. Now, this is just one strategy to try and just finish a track. So like if you're stuck in one particular area of the track, like maybe it's the third phrase of your drop and you don't know how to make it more interesting, a big thing to do is go look at other people's tracks, see what they're doing. And you're not going to do the exact same thing, but you'll get some ideas flowing of what to do on your song. It's going to turn out completely different, and you're going to have way more ideas. And if you keep banking those every track after track after track, you will have a huge list of things that will eventually become internalized, and you'll be able to work faster. So this leads into the next topic of something that I've had lots of trouble with, and the main reason for me making this video, and it's to get out of the perfectionist frame. Perfection is going to murder your creativity. Now, last week I got some sweet, probably the best news I've had from my Thomas Anthony project. I got some music signed to Confessions label, so Chammy's label, one of the biggest like house labels out there right now. They're just killing it, putting out awesome music, and I got some music signed to it, and I was like, yes, this is awesome, so happy. And I went into the studio. I had already made a bunch of like awesome creative new tracks that I'm really proud of, and then I sat down to make another one, but this one would be another original. And I was like, okay, I want to make something, because usually if a label asks you for one track, they want a follow-up track, or at least to make it an EP or something like that. And I wanted to have some more music to follow that up with, and another original. to follow up the song that I got signed. So I went into the studio session and I was like, okay, I was stuck in that little pre-drop, drop, loop section, and I was keep trying to get it over, trying new vocal chops, trying new vocal edits, trying new drop ideas. I just wasn't getting anywhere, and I was like, oh, I don't know what I'm doing, I suck, like, this fucking sucks, I don't know how to get out of this. So what I did was I took a break, I went to the gym, I bounced down both of the tracks, and I listened to them at the gym, and I made a decision. I just decided to myself, I was like, stop being perfectionist. This isn't going to be the next magical song that's going to make your career. This isn't going to change people's lives. This is, in reality, going to make people in dark rooms wiggle their asses, probably on drugs. Hope not, but probably that's going to be the reality of the situation. So what are you stressing out so much for? Why are you trying to make this into something it's not? Like, just make a dancey track, move the fuck on, send it to labels. If they like it, they like it. If they don't, they don't. Just make another track. The number one thing you can do as a music producer, just make music. It's really, really not up to you whether people like it or they don't like it. Your job is to just let the music, let creativity come through you, put it out there, and just let people have it. Who knows what they're gonna like? Some people may like it, some people aren't gonna like it. You may like it, you may not like it. Who cares? Just finish songs, put music out there, and spray the world with your musical creativity. So that's something I want to share with you. And it's something that I internalized in the last couple hours, and it made me get straight to work and really pump out some more tracks. Don't kill your creativity with this I cannot talk today. Don't kill your creativity with all these grandiose thoughts of like, this is going to be amazing, this needs to be perfect, I want to have the best sound design, I want to have the best mixing. Just finish songs, put them out there, get some feedback, let the market determine what is good or not, and then grow from that feedback, because that's ultimately how you're going to grow as a music producer. Now, if you want to follow me along from my journey, subscribe to this channel, like this video if you liked it. I have a DJ mix. It's called my monthly mix series called Smell the Roses. It's linked down in the first comment or in the description. Also down in the description is a link to a sign up form for my mentoring program. You just put your email in there. I'll send you some information on my mentoring program. I've been mentoring students for the last couple years. They've been having great results. I'm opening it up to more people. I've been really keeping it low key because I've been working on my own music and I only have so much time to work with people. But if that's something you're interested in, check it out. I'll be sending you emails once you sign up for the forum. No spam, none of that jazz. Yeah, so that's something you're interested in. Definitely check it out, because I love helping people making their music and just pushing people to the next level in their music career. I've pushed myself so hard, and I want to help people do the same thing. Now, if you're looking for awesome music on Spotify, I have 3 playlists: my Dirty Pretty playlist, Dirty Party playlist, and Pretty Chill playlist. They're all linked down below too. Again, like I said, my mix series, and you can follow me everywhere online at It's Tom Anthony. And yeah, subscribe to the channel if you liking these videos. I'm gonna be doing these kind of like vloggier styles, just like lessons that I've been learning from the music game. For the next little bit, I'm developing some courses which are going to be really, really, really awesome. I'm super stoked to show you with them, and I can't wait to share all this awesome music, like so much awesome music. I'm literally just gearing up for summer, all the festival summer, as I talk to some of my other videos, like building a portfolio and building something that you can use to market yourself. And I'm playing a bunch of festivals this summer, and doing a bunch of live like action at my festivals, at my sets or whatever. So all the things are sweet and they're all happening. So if you want to follow me along on this journey, that'd be awesome. Okay, till next time, peace. Whoa, one more thing I want to leave you with. I saw this awesome quote from Kobe Bryant, and I just want to share with you. It's called "Do It Anyways." It's those times when you have to get up early, those times when you have to stay up late, when you're too tired, but you don't want to do it, and you push yourself to do it anyways. That is actually the dream. Working hard isn't enough. You have to study the game to be obsessed. Kobe Bryant, slam dunk, motherfucking giant. Tell it like it is. So just do it.